All right, so first off, I'm going to give all praise, honor, and infinite glory to Yahweh, Ba'Shem, Yahushai, Ba'Shem, Rakakadash, the wise apostles and the elders of the millstone rule well. And say they select to put the truth in all sincerity. Sincere Shalom, the who for elect the keys of garments clean, does will be Ba'Shem, Yahushai. Dwadi Ba'Shem, Yahushai for allowing us doing a video. I'm Brother Twab, and this is the brother
Sakar.
Today's video, we're going to the prophecies are rolling. All right, so we got two precepts. Okay, basically this video is talking about how prophecies are going. Okay, they're rolling. Okay, a lot of things. Okay, that's in the scriptures. Okay, when the prophecies are being manifest. Okay, this place is getting worse and circling down the drain. Okay, see, this economy is getting worse. Okay, see, and it's all by design from the elites. Okay, to destroy this place on purpose. Okay. And the thing is, they think as if, they're like so smart, okay? You see, but in terms of destroying this place, okay, and then they're gonna rise up from the ashes, but the Most High actually is making them destroy this place, okay? And they're not gonna be able to rise from the ashes, okay? So they're in a trick bag. They think they're God controlling everything, and I'm gonna destroy it, and then I'm gonna build it back up, or build it in a new way, but they don't know that they're actually just destroying themselves, okay? See what I'm saying? So, just things are just rolling, okay? See, gas prices is rising and whatnot, okay? You see what's going on with Russia and Ukraine, okay? You see the conflict there, okay? You see inflation, okay, whatnot, okay? Inflation's rising, okay? The price of basic goods and whatnot is at a high level, okay? See, so basically, this place is getting worse, okay? This economy is getting worse, okay? The inflation can keep going up and up and up, okay? And rising, this economy is just gonna be messed up, destroyed, okay? And then obviously the elites, people in power and whatnot, they're gonna be like, well, shoot. Well, we need a new way to, have this new system, a new economy, you could say, a new way of, organizing, running money and whatnot, okay? Introducing the RFID microchip, okay? The MOTB, okay? See, so prophecies are rolling, okay? They're rolling, and it's not gonna stop. It's gonna continuously go, okay? It's not gonna slow down. You can see more things, okay? And we're feeling the heat from these things, okay? You're feeling the heat, you see? See, it's all this chaos, you're actually feeling it, okay? Because, for example, brothers that have to, they do like driving jobs and whatnot, okay, they feel it because they have to obviously pay a lot of gas, okay? You see? So things could get worse, okay? Things could get more destructive, okay? The prophecies are going to be speaking more, okay? But like I said, you see things going on, inflation, gas prices, whatnot, okay? Goods and services, you go to your market, okay? See, things is at a higher price, okay? And what's going on in Russia, so things is rolling, okay? Things are rolling, okay? See, things going on with Russia and Ukraine and whatnot. That's fuel for World War III. See, the war to end all wars. You see, so that's that. So let's go.
This is Matthew, chapter 24, and verse 3.
Yeah.
And as he sat upon the Mount of Olives, the disciples came unto him privately, saying, Tell us, when shall these things be? And what shall be the sign of thy coming in the end of the world?
Yeah, so basically they're asking, what are the signs to see? Okay, when is your arrival soon? Okay, what can we look for? Okay, to know that you are soon to return. You see, keep going.
And Yahushua answered and said unto them, Take heed that no man deceive you. For many shall come in my name, saying, I am the anointed, and shall deceive many.
Mm-hmm.
And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that ye be not troubled, for all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet.
Yeah, wars and rumors of wars. Okay. See, wars and rumors of wars. Okay. Keep going.
For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines and pestilences, and earthquakes in diverse places. And all these are the beginning of sorrows.
Keep going.
Then shall they deliver you up to be afflicted, and shall kill you, and ye shall be hated of all nations for my name's sake.
Mm-hmm. So we obviously know that's coming too. That we're the men Lord to be persecuted for the truth's sake. Okay, they're gonna take us. Okay, they're gonna take some brothers and whatnot to to court and whatnot. See, try to say false accusations, make up bullshit. Okay, for the truth's sake. Read that part again.
Then shall they deliver you up to be afflicted, and shall kill you, and ye shall be hated of all nations for my name's sake.
Yeah, can you read up a verse?
All these are the beginning of sorrows.
Yeah, all these is beginning sorrows. Okay, what you see was going on. This is just the beginning. Okay, this is the beginning phase. Keep going.
And then shall many be offended, and shall betray one another, and shall hate one another. And many false prophets shall rise, and shall deceive many. And because iniquity shall abound, the love of many shall wax cold.
Yeah, and that's it. Yeah, so earthquakes in diverse places. We obviously see that. Okay, iniquity abounding. The love of many shall wax cold. Okay, that's why we have that cold spirit. Okay, on planet Earth, there's no they don't have a natural affection. See, they don't have natural affection for the fellow man and whatnot. Okay, for their own people. Okay, for people are just cold. Okay, because iniquity is abounding. Okay, because sin, evil. Okay, is getting higher and higher and higher. Okay, see, people are ravenous. Okay, people are ravenous wolves out here. See, and really, they say if you're not ravenous wolf, then what's like something wrong with you? That's bullshit. It's not true. That's supposed to be a ravening wolf. Okay, unruly. See, you're not supposed to be like that. You see. So yeah. Matthew 24. Okay. See, these are different signs of Yahshua's coming. Okay. And obviously we see those signs. We see a lot of those signs. Okay. See, and there's much more obviously prophecies, okay, showing the end. Okay. See, much more prophecies showing of Yahshua's return. Okay. You see what I'm saying? Russia and Ukraine, okay, it's fuel for World War III. And we obviously know World War III is the ultimate war to end all wars, to where Yahushua is obviously gonna make his appearance. We know that, okay? See, we know the inflation and whatnot, the economy being messed up. Okay, we know that's what getting closer and closer to an RFID microchip. Okay, the MOTB. We know that. Okay, we understand that obviously one of the biggest prophecies is the MOTB. We know that. Okay, so that's a gigantic marker to look for. Okay, and we see things are getting close to that. See, because when that's implemented, okay, then things is gonna roll. Okay, things are gonna be accelerated. Okay, when that's implemented, then it's gonna be like a little period of what you'll call living lifestyle, whatever living, and then just chaos. Okay, so we know that obviously Yahushua is soon to appear because we see a lot of these prophecies coming to pass. You see a lot of steps, two big prophecies coming to pass. Russia, okay, Ukraine, that's a step to World. These are steps brewing to World War III. Okay, the inflation, and whatnot. Okay, high prices and whatnot. Okay, see these. Okay, are obviously signs themselves, but those particular signs too are steps. Okay, toward the ultimate prophecy. Okay, those particular signs are steps to like inflation, high gas prices, high prices of things in the market. Okay, these are all stepping stones to the economy collapsing. Okay, for the MOTB. Okay. So those are steps, okay, for, okay, the MOTB, okay, which we know obviously the MOTB is there when it's implemented, then we know Yahushua's really close, okay? So prophecies is going, okay? See? You know? The economy getting messed up, that's obviously prophecy in itself too. Obviously we know that, okay? The raising and the inflation and stuff and whatnot, okay? That's the prophecy itself, okay? So things just going, okay? Just that simple. Prophecy is going.
This is 2 Ezra 9:1. He answered me then and said, measure thou the time diligently in itself.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're measuring the time diligently in itself. We're looking, and how do you do that? By obviously, okay, what's going on and measuring to the scriptures, okay? Measuring to prophecies, okay? See, the scriptures tells us what's supposed to be going on, and you measure that to what's going on in planet Earth, okay? In the news, okay? The spirit that's out, okay? So you measure that with the scriptures. That's how you measure the time, okay? Dior.
And when thou seest part of the signs pass, which I have told thee before, then shalt thou understand that it is the very same time wherein the highest will begin to visit the world which he made.
Yeah, so we obviously see these signs coming past. So we know that what? The Lord could begin to visit the world he made, okay? Simple as that. We know that, okay? We know Yahushua is soon to appear. We know that judgment, okay, is going to increase even more, okay? Keep going.
Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars of the people in the world.
Yeah, we see a lot of uproars of people in the world, okay? We see a lot of uproars and whatnot, see? You are?
When then shalt thou understand that the Most High spake of those things from the days that were before thee, even from the beginning. For like as all that is made in the world have a beginning and an end, and the end is manifest. Even so the times also the highest have plain beginnings and wonders and powerful works, and endings and effects and signs. And every one that shall be saved and shall be able to escape by his works and by faith whereby he have believed, shall be preserved from the said perils, and shall see my salvation in my land, and within my borders, for I have sanctified them for me from the beginning. Then shall they be in pitiful case, which now have abused my ways, and they that have cast them away despitefully shall dwell in torments.
Yeah, so obviously you casting off the Most High, casting off his ways, what he teaches, okay? You could be jacked up for that, for you not being righteous, okay? For you being a complete sinning buffoon, okay? Most High's gonna jack your ass up for that, okay? Because you're not supposed to live like that, okay? Go on.
For such as in their life have received benefits have not known me, and they that love my law, while they yet had liberty, and when as yet place of repentance was open unto them.
Yeah, so there's literally, obviously, at the moment, mercy is obviously open up right now. But it's be a time when when destruction hits, that's when you know mercy's done, okay? Because you can't say, oh, God, now I want to serve you. Now I want to serve you. No, you can't do that, okay? Yahweh is not with that, okay? He's not with that. That's fate. See? So in that time of destruction, that's where it's done, okay? It's done. That's where the doors of mercy close. So read that beginning part again.
For such as in their life have received benefits have not known me, and they that love my law, while they yet had liberty, and when as yet place of repentance was open unto them, understood not but despised it. The same must know after death by pain.
Yeah, so the only way for you to get right, okay, the only way for you to understand the Most High, okay, you need to know it by what? Say it again.
The same must know it after death by pain.
There you go, okay? Simple as that. You're going to have to go through cruel, okay, a cruel judgment, a cruel death, a cruel, okay, torturous death, okay? It's not going to be like some soft thing. It's not going to be a quick thing. Okay, when the Most High judging your ass during that time, you're gonna know. Oh shit! I shouldn't have been evil. I should have been wicked. See, all these things gonna come upon you. The Most High's gonna allow you to know. Oh shit! That's why I'm getting this ass whipping. That's what you see. What I'm saying, it should be embarrassing. Okay, see, it should be terrible. And then you're gonna be, oh, okay, yeah, there's a God. Okay, I shouldn't have been wicked. Or okay, I should listen to the prophets. Simple as that. So prophecies is rolling. Okay, and we're getting close to the end. Extremely close. Okay, so I hope this is edifying. Shalom.